The new version of HailStrike, we've completely reworked the search bar. You can type in anything as specific as an address. So we'll say 2518 Fallview Lane in Carrollton, and it automatically brings up the owner information, and you can see it on the map there, as well as the hail dates for that particular address. You could then add this location to your claim, which is, we go over in another video. It stands for Complete Location Analysis and Information Management. Or you could order a one site report or a verification report with that. If you don't want to be that granular, you could put in maybe a zip code. So there's 75248, and I'll bring up the dark mode so you can see the zip code. There's all the zip codes. You can zoom in and see the boundaries of where that zip code is. I'm going to turn off the zip code, go back to map, and we're going to put in let's put in a county. There's Collin County. So I'll go back to dark mode so you can see the boundaries of the counties, and keep in mind that this is available anywhere in the United States. I'm just showing you Texas, but we could very easily go over here to Colorado and zoom in and see all the counties there as well. If we want to put in a city name, how about Lincoln, Nebraska. So there's the city of Lincoln. Notice that it says impact score, not intensity scale, because this is once again an area, so it's showing you the overall effect of the storm for an area. You can click on any overview and see more information about the radar that picked it up, some demographic information, and the hail information. And if you would like to, you could just click on Add to Hail Maps, and that will automatically put that map in your list of all your hail maps here. So it's available. It loads so fast. You can load it there for reference if you want to, but you saw that they load pretty quickly. So the search bar, once again, you can start out as wide as a county, and then go to a city, and then a zip code, and then all the way down to an address if you'd like to. So the search bar is great. I would suggest using that to save yourself some time.